I love this time of year. The weather is getting cooler, which I can assure you that when you live in Arizona, that is a good thing. For those of us in the Western Hemisphere, the leaves are changing color and winter is on its way. It's a beautiful time of year for us, and around here, it is often referred to as the holiday season or the holidays. We celebrate Thanksgiving and Christmas close to each other. We all know about Christmas and its origins, but Thanksgiving is a big deal here, but it is less well known around the world. It's a time for family and friends to get together in a spirit of gratitude and appreciation, and is a real favorite time for me. It started back in the 1600s, and our modern day version of this celebration is rumored to have been based on a 1621 harvest feast shared between English colonists and the Wampanoag Native Americans, who despite their language, religion, and cultural differences, decided that working together in that harsh environment rather than against each other would be in the best interests of all involved. This collaboration was eventually sealed into a treaty and celebrated annually, which became the basis of our Thanksgiving celebrations. It's one of the reasons that I love this time of year. It is a time when we are reminded to celebrate the power of gratitude and working together. So in the spirit of our forefathers here, and with a heart filled with a genuine appreciation for each of you and what you contribute to the Forever family, may I say thank you. Thank you for all you have done in a difficult year that could have been so much tougher without all of you. Whether you are here at the home office, in our offices and facilities around the world, a member of our GLT, an Eagle manager, or one of the millions of dedicated FBOs. I feel so grateful to work alongside you as we take Forever forward into the next growth phase. When I think about you, I am reminded of the 11 values that we have as a company and how you represent all of these in the work that you do. I thought I'd ask some of our friends who help me lead here at the home office to recap what these are.
Remain creative. Thank you for pushing the boundaries and staying innovative with your Forever business. Being creative motivates us. It helps us discover new things and stay competitive in an ever-changing world. Thank you.
Be brave. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Thank you for being brave as we all make decisions that can positively impact the future of this great company. Thank you.
Integrity, even when no one is watching. Thank you for always doing the right thing. It's the Forever way. Our integrity is one of the qualities that truly sets us apart from others. Thank you.
Be passionate. Thank you for your passion. Passion makes us strong. Being passionate about something bigger than yourself inspires growth. This passion and love are what create the power of Forever. Thank you.
We take no shortcuts. There are no shortcuts to anywhere worth taking. Detours can lead to dead ends. Forever appreciates your hard work, patience, and persistence. Thank you.
Stay agile. Thank you for adapting to the great change in the world. We've all had many unprecedented challenges to deal with, but I know we have responded better than most. Thank you.
Always seek adventure. Taking the road less traveled may not be the smoothest ride, but sometimes it helps you discover what matters most. Thank you for being adventurous on your Forever journey.
Put the FBO first. Thank you for your dedication as an FBO. And thank you for putting others first, because that love and ability to find success in others is the foundation that Forever was built on. Thank you.
Be entrepreneurial. Entrepreneurship focuses on action and opportunity. Thank you for letting go of fear and turning your passion into a Forever business. Thank you for using your talents, skills, and ideas to create new opportunities and allowing yourself to think big and dream big.
Positivity. Smile. If it doesn't make you smile, change it. Thank you for your positive attitude and spirit in making this such a great place to work. Keep up the good work and keep smiling. Thank you.
Forever grateful. Gratitude is the quality of being thankful, the readiness to show appreciation, and to return kindness. We are grateful for you and how you make our world a better place to be. Thank you.
That was beautifully said. Thank you to each of you for helping. These attributes have been around for almost 45 years now. They are what our company was built on. They guide our decision making, and they are at the heart of everything we strive to do. I am inspired by the friendships and collaborations of our forefathers all those years ago. They put aside personal differences, prejudices, and fears to build a successful community, and in their own way decided to focus on what matters most. I am confident that with your focused dedication, you can continue to build on the fundamentals of forever. Oh, and one last thing before I go. Thank you.